Hello! In this video, I'll share how to prepare Ugba, the yummy Nigerian restaurant special, so that you can make it at home. Here are some of the ingredients you will need. Ugba or baka, depending on the Igbo dialect. Stockfish, stock cube, baking soda for the chemical reaction, as you will see later. We normally use edible potash, which comes in lumps like this, but the powdered one is better. Crayfish, red palm oil, bomo or cow skin, red onion for garnish, medium crayfish. Please note that this is not oporo, the big dried prawns. No. This is just the medium-sized crayfish that you'll find in a mound of crayfish. I usually pick these out when I buy crayfish in large quantity and reserve them for preparing recipes like Ugba. Leafy vegetable for garnish. In Nigeria, we use Nigerian garden egg leaves, but if you are outside Nigeria, leafy spinach is a great alternative, and that is what I'll be using today. Ogiri Igbo. Chai! This is the pawpaw seasoning for Ugba. And here is the full list of the ingredients and the quantities that I used in this video. Before you start, prepare the ingredients. Cook the stockfish and the bomo with the stock cube till done. When done, take them off the stock and continue cooking till the stock is conch like this. This is so that you have as little liquid as possible in the Ugba. Mix the baking soda with about half a cup of cool water. If you're using edible potash, mix with the water and sieve to remove the particles. Slice the onion like this. Grind the crayfish. Rinse and put the Ugba or baka in the sieve to drain. Break up the medium-sized crayfish into small pieces like this. And cut the habanero pepper. Cut the cooked stockfish and bomo into small pieces. You can reserve a big lump of stockfish for serving. It's up to you. Now it's time to make the Ugba. Pour the red palm oil into a pot or pan. Slowly add the baking soda solution or the edible potash solution and stir at the same time. You will see the red palm oil curdle and turn yellow. You see that? That's chemistry. Who said that cooking is not science? When it has the perfect yellow color, add the ingredients like this. You can use less palm oil if you want to healthize this, but it won't be as juicy and yummy as grandma makes it. Stir till everything is incorporated and transferred to a stove. Add the Ugba, habanero pepper, and the stock from cooking the stockfish and the bomo. Stir and cook on medium heat till everything warms up. The foaming of the baking soda makes this look like it has too much ncha. That is the palm oil mixture. Don't worry about that. When it cools down, it will have the perfect consistency. If you use edible potash, it does not foam like this. And like I said, you can use less palm oil if you want. When hot, add salt to your taste and serve with the sliced onion and vegetables. And that's it. Enjoy with palm wine or Guinness stout. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I upload Nigerian food videos every week or whenever I have a cooking tip to share. Bye bye. See you soon.